So I don't have a converter for my hair straightener because Davey lost my 3 converters somehow at home, and then we got one with away luggage. I'm like, oh, it's perfect. And then we get here, and then I don't realize you could only put like a USB cable cord in it, and now I can't use my hair straightener. That's the one thing I just wanted. Oh my god.
Actually, no, I was gonna say that. First world problems.
It's true. It's the only thing I need.
I forgot my ND filters for this camera.
Oh
well.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
We are at Palais Royal Station. The Louvre is behind us.
Oh, that's the Louvre? I don't see the,
I think that's the...
It's also 7 o'clock in the morning.
Then we need to go to this Platueux.
Alright, let's go. Where is it? Let's find this place.
We're too early. I think we're too early.
Okay, now what? Okay, so that place was not open
Yeah.
yet.
Because it's only
It's 7:30, not even.
7:23.
So, we're going to walk around the Louvre, right?
We're gonna get some, hopefully get some pyramid shots when there's no one there. It's right there, and then we're gonna backtrack. But I don't know what time they're open. Look, we see it.
Oh, look, I see the Louvre. There's nobody here. There's nobody here.
Yay! Someone else is trying to take a shot too, like that.
Huh. Wow. I didn't think it was that big. 7:40-ish right now, and no one's here. It's great. Jen's doing a self photo. And now I'm gonna switch to put this camera back in the bag and use the gimbal. With that, it's so much more better for pictures and video.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show.
It's about 8 o'clock, and people are finally coming into the Louvre. I'm glad we got here first. I like it when it was like quieter and we could just take in the views.
Now it's like people's taking early photo shoots.
But not as early as us.
We were here mad early.
Okay, let's try to see if the columns are done and then go into that garden, because that's where breakfast is.
Look guys, we got tickets to the Louvre. We're the only ones here. No one else is here. Just kidding. We're still outside. But there's just no one here. That's cool. I don't know what any of this stuff is, but it looks very Roman. So now we're gonna go to the little pillar thing, right?
Oh, it's open.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much.
I think there's a lot of people passing by to go to work, so people are just walking in and out through this. And there was someone else shooting with a gimbal, like Davey.
Yeah.
I think I have a good idea for a cinematic shot. If you take your gimbal out and you can just, can you walk around me in a circle?
Run you in a circle?
Yeah. Like, yeah.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad.
Right now we're at the Palais Royal, or the Royal Palace, and we're at the columns. It's all black and white, really pretty, and there's people walking by for work, and then people taking photos, like us. But we're gonna head to the next destination. Davey was on the highest pillar. Pretty cool. I didn't think he could get up there. I could only go up to like the small ones without breaking my arm or anything like that. So we're going to the Arc de Triomphe that's in front of the Louvre. The Arc de Triomphe. I forget what they call it.
The Arc of Triomphe?
Just hold me down like that, yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
We're in the Jardin des Tuileries, and we're walking to get some breakfast.
And then?
Because it's 9.
Look at the gimbal stick.
The Joby stick?
Joby stick.
The 9:17 right now. So we've been out for like an hour, 2 hours. And we are pretty hungry. And it's going to rain in less than an hour. And we didn't bring an umbrella today, so that might be an issue. But it only says 40%. But it's pretty chilly. As you can see, Davey's wearing a coat. It's like 65 degrees, and I'm not. I think it's actually pretty okay.
It's like that weird
fall
cold.
But there's still not that many people out, which is a good thing. And it's also Monday, so people are also working.
We saw our suite mates.
Oh yeah.
At the Louvre. They were pretty cool. They seemed very young. Hopefully we'll get to meet them later tonight or something.
Yeah, I saw one of the girls this morning when I went out. I'm like, oh, do you have a converter? Because I don't have one. But she's like, oh, I'm from New Zealand. I can't help you. And then we were in front of the Louvre, and then this girl waved hello. And I thought she was just waving because Davey was using the camera. But then the other girl who I talked to in the morning turned around and came to say hi. I'm like, oh, it's the persons we live with.
Yeah.
Which was pretty ironic. I was like, oh, they got up really early too.
Yeah, but we got up earlier.
Yeah, they actually made breakfast in the apartment.
Oh yeah, I thought they lived there because she was like eating straight up like she was straight up eating like Raisin Bran or something.
They probably bought some food like a lot of people do, but nah, not about that life when they're traveling.
Okay, anyways, on to the next spot. Peace out, Holmes.
We're in Angelina right now, and we're having breakfast. We just got a mini breakfast set that includes their famous hot chocolate, and then I got grapefruit juice and some pastries, and then we also got something that Davey wanted, an omelette.
This place looks very nice. How was the food?
The food was okay. I feel like I kind of knew how it was. I would equate this to like a Bottega Louis. At their famous hot chocolate, it's pretty good. It's really thick. I've had a lot of thick kinds of hot chocolate, to be honest. I'm not a fan of hot chocolate, but I was just like, oh, let's just try it. But I do like the fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. The omelet was a bit hard. I have to say my favorite omelet is in LA. I think Davey would die for that omelet. He's like, oh my god. This one was like, oh, when I came, like, but it tasted pretty good. The flavor was better than it looked. Pastries are pretty good. And we're gonna take these little jams to go. The butter was really good.
That's the butter brand. That shit is the bomb. Arc de Triomphe, which is right there. Right there. And we're trying to figure out how to get to the middle
We
part.
just made a circle and it doesn't look like there's any pathway.
How do we get to the middle?
Walk there and then cross. But I told Davey it would be the biggest
It's
scam.
underground, it's underground, it's underground, I'm
It would
pretty
be
sure.
the biggest scam if like they paid or you had to pay someone for them
Drop
to
you off?
take you right there.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. We found the entrance.
This underground passage is how you get into the Arc de Triomphe. I knew making a circle around there was a good idea.
Yep. We're exhausted, by the way. So, it's not going to be very cinematic at all today.
It will still be cinematic. We'll push through. We still have to get coffee and find a electric cord charger thingy. Converter. Yes. Arc de Triomphe, which is right behind me, and we found the secret passageway over there, and there's a lot of people shooting with fancy cameras here. I think Davey got some cool cinematic shots. There's like an eternal burning flame in the middle of it to honor those who died for France, and it's just really pretty. So one tip is that if you just want to go to the exterior of the Arc de Triomphe and not go upstairs, you can just skip the line that's behind me and just walk straight up the stairs and then make your way around to view the Arc de Triomphe. And that's what we did.
It's like 12 bucks to go up, 12 euros to go up, I think. We need to know how to do that.
And there was a long queue to go up too. So I think the view from the bottom was fine because you're more observing the tower, or we are, the structure, than really the view of Paris. But anyway, we're gonna head to the Eiffel Tower right now, and we're gonna walk there. Let's go. We're gonna go to the Trocadero Gardens, get a view of the Eiffel Tower, and then walk to the Eiffel Tower, and then chill out in the green grass area because both of us are tired. And then let's get a coffee too, and then make our way back to this area for dinner. And one important thing, I need to find a converter. I saw one at the news store just now, and it was 30 euros. Like, are you kidding me? I'm not buying that for 30 euros. I would have bought the one for 7.95 euros, but like, okay, but it didn't have a US one, so I'm not getting that.
Still very expensive. But okay, we're gonna go. Bye bye. I'm so tired. I will see you at the somewhere with the Eiffel Tower in the background. Okay, bye bye.
So right now we're at the Trocadero Gardens. As you can see, it's in back of me. And the Eiffel Tower is over there. And we walked here from the Arc de Triomphe, just took some photos, and now we're taking a mini break.
It was an epic walk.
It wasn't that long. We're taking a mini break because our feet hurt and we're so thirsty.
Thank you, McDonald's.
But mainly our feet hurt. We still have to go find something to drink and maybe a quick snack. And I'm still in search of the electrical power converter. Someone help me. We have to walk to the other side, so then we'll actually be in front of the Eiffel Tower and can see up into the inside of the Eiffel Tower.
From right there? Boom. Wait, no. Boom. Right there. Right there?
Yep.
Okay. I can't talk right now. I'm too tired. Bye-bye.
So we're finally at the bottom of the Eiffel Tower, which is right there. And there's a garden to my left. And we're so exhausted right now. I think we're gonna go chill out there for a bit. Or go somewhere nearby, like a cafe, and get a drink. Let's go. I'm so exhausted. My feet are killing me.
I'm literally just squatting on the floor right now because like my feet are dead. Can't even take pictures right now. So I don't know how this edit's gonna look. It's probably gonna look pretty boring.